As always, welcome friends to all of you on my YouTube channel Gadget World. You will see amazing drone, which fly in dark nights, and screen, which is transparent. Like these, you will see amazing and stunning gadgets in this video. You get all these gadgets from Amazon and online. If you are new on my channel, subscribe it, and also like the video. Share video with your friends. Let's start the video without a delay. NanoAR, meet this world best transparent projection screen. Friends, it means a screen that really pure and clear will be in front of you, but you can't touch it. You can only watch games on it. You can play, you can do your work. The screen comes ultra high definition, with clarity, and because it is transparent, then you can see through it too. You can see it in up to 8K resolution. You can see your favorite visuals, movies, web series. With this you can make any surface and transform into a vibrant high definition display. It doesn't feel like that while using it. You to feel like Tony Stark, which screen he uses in different movies. Drone mini remote control. You see a lot of drones, but this drone is special one. This drone with high-speed fans. This drone has air rotation. Friends, it can move back with one click. The drone is unique, versatile and innovative design. Full protective design. Without worry about your kids get hurt even if they catch it by hand. Meanwhile, protect the propellers and motors better. You can start the drone with one key takeoff button and perform flips. One key spin and rotation. Lots of fun with your kids or friends. The multifunctional drone enables kids to enjoy the endless pleasures of simple control. Headless mode, altitude hold, one key functions provide fast access to a flight adventure. Start a stunning show for your friends with the dazzling lights. The lights are more beautiful at night, and children will like it very much. This buddy brings players great fun everywhere for party, school, fishing, hiking, long journey, etc. All in one cable, magnetic cable. And trust me, after buying this awesome cable, you never have to buy another cable. The first thing you will have to do is not get this tangled. It will do this because it is magnetic, so it will be in a circle. Coil it into form and put it in a corner. Leave it and forget it. No problem, it do automatically close. Not only that, it gives fast charging. It has ultra high speed of 240 watts. But the most powerful feature is that in this you can choose from USB 3. This means a to Z in each of its different ways. You can do different things for different devices. There is no need to buy different types of cable. Friends, if this is the next level, then from charging to clutter-free, tangle-free and high speed. GLAZER Press. You must be putting normal ice cubes in it, right? But if you get to add such ice cubes, then, well, you can cut such cubes yourself. Can't prepare or freeze. You can get such cubes with this gadget, whose name is GLAZER Press. From this, you can make ice cubes. You can sculpt it and give it any shape. Imagine that your guests came home and they're cold. Drinks fill with different shapes of ice cubes. Everyone will be impressed with such kind of ice cubes and drink. It is very easy. Just add frozen ice to this gadget. Place it in the middle and place the second one on top of it. Just put the part and then you don't have to do anything. This gadget presses that ice just a little bit. Will prepare your desired shape in time. And yes, it is easily washable also. It means after doing this, wash it normally. Car door opening LED lights. Do you think that you opened the car door and such lights started burning all over his door? Now you will get swag feeling in car door. To add lighting effect, you just need to put these lights on door of the car. Whenever you open the door, these lights start glow. Applicable on all types of car doors. You can buy these amazing straps from Amazon. Remote controlled stunt water bomb tank. If you want to buy a stunt car for your kids, then this for WDRC tanks that shoot bubbles with a unique magnetic fort. Easy to install. 4,000 water bombs allow you to fight. Cool LED lights and music bring children a great visual and operating experience. An exciting and super cool gift. This tank can move forward and backward, turn left and right, 360 degrees rotating by hand, fully manually with gripping caterpillar tracks. Drive your remote control tank flexibly. You can fight up to 10 tanks battle at the same time. Aim and fire at the other tank. The elastic material and construction make the RC water bomb tank very durable. Crash proof and the wheels don't come loose easily. The powerful motor supports endless off-road races on all terrains such as sand, grass, dirt, rocks, and snow. Key roll or sea helicopter. You see a lot of toy helicopter, which look cool, but this is different one do. It's amazing feature. It providing strong power and body stability. It has high efficiency, low power consumption, and long flight time. The blade is made of powerful material, which has high strength, toughness, impact resistance, deformation resistance, and durability. The characteristics of low noise, high power, and high efficiency. The specially designed high temperature resistant, improving service life. Having a stable, fast, and accurate flight attitude. It is particularly suitable for beginners in flight. It has height setting mode, green light indication, manual height setting mode, red light indication for room night. Flight altitude above 8 meters can be achieved by pressing the single button. It can be a perfect and awesome gift for your kids. This helicopter is lightweight, so you can carry easily within your bags. Its parts are easily disassembled and safely keep in box. Smartphone wallet. This is amazing 2-in-1 phone case and smartphone wallet. Friends, the amazing feature which it have is easily attachable and detachable due to strong magnetic field. Fashionable, versatile and fabulous design it have. This wallet is in multiple color, you choose which you like the most, and made high quality leather. It has powerful magnetic field. It can easily attach with metallic objects. You can attach your phone and wallet with refrigerator while working in kitchen. Its design is so slim and minimal it cannot increase your phone thickness. It automatically attach with your phone when you take your phone near to it. This also have another amazing feature. It can also walk as phone stand while watching phone. You can easily keep your phone on table. It is so soft, which is anti-scratch. You can keep in this wallet your ATM cards, money, and most important cards. It also save your phone from breaking when it fall down. You don't need to carry extra wallet with you when you have this smartphone wallet. Eye of Agamotto. These eyes of Agamotto are life-sized, i.e. exactly like the eye of Agamotto from the movie. Looks and size are same like them, and these also come in the form of locket. So yes, you can actually wear these in friends. Their finish is kept very premium and cool, so it won't look bad to wear this locket. In fact, it means you will look quite cool in reality. These also become open and closed easily. Friends, comment me your favorite Marvel superhero name. Ben 10 Omnitrix watch, whose looks are quite different. When it's dial, when you press the button which in its side, the shadows of the aliens will look exactly like shown on wall. Made of high quality materials for a comfortable fit. Can turn the clock to select your favorite cartoon characters. Safe and non-toxic, harmless to the human body. Just insert the card and press the side key to see the picture. A very cool clock that can project different tasks, which is very interesting. Great gift for your kids on their birthday or for your personal watch collections. So friends, it's amazing, so comment me which Ben 10 lean you like the most. Rainproof mirror film. If you have a bike or a car, if there is anything between the two, then it's rear view. This rainproof mirror film is necessary for the mirror when it rains. If droplets freeze in the mirror, then nothing is visible, due to which a low accidents happen. This is how you can simply use your bike or car. Both of these have to stick it in the mirror. Apart from this, it will also be very useful in winters. When fog accumulates in the mirror, it easily remove on it. Basically, it is easy to apply it. Whether it's rain or fog, your mirror visibility will never reduce. You can easily buy this from Amazon in just $10. XTape 1. Friends, think if you down to the ground, stand on, and you will feel either the wall or the ceiling. Length or height have to be measured. So what will you do? How will you measure it? Then take a tape measure and apply it for 10 hours. If you measure like this, you will get a lot of headache. You can solve complex tasks with headache. No take. This is one from XTape 1 modular digital laser tape. The laser is aimed at any distant object, measuring literally anything, gives you in seconds. You have only tell your location. The interior of the room will not have to move even an inch. From decoration to the entire house. Brother, where should the object be placed? Complete planning has to be done, and well, now you no need to take a normal tape measure. You will not have to struggle for hours, but this work in seconds. You will be very easy with this laser tape. Now it's your turn. If you not like the video, like it. Don't forget to subscribe it. Also share this video to your friends. Tell me, comment which gadget do you like the most. Friends, let's meet with another video with other awesome gadgets. Take care and bye.